The world is changing faster than ever before. Technology, especially artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming how we live and work. Jobs that were once considered stable are now at risk of automation. New jobs are emerging, requiring skills that were unheard of just a few years ago. This rapid technological advancement presents both challenges and opportunities for our children as they prepare to enter the workforce. Parents need to understand these changes to guide their children toward a successful future. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's changing everything. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it will inevitably take over tasks that were once performed by humans. This shift will displace some jobs, but it will also create new opportunities. The key to thriving in this new landscape is to adapt and acquire the skills that AI cannot replicate. This is not just about learning to code, although digital literacy is essential. It's about fostering critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. The future belongs to those who can think critically, adapt to change, and leverage technology to their advantage. As parents, we owe it to our children to prepare them for this future, not the past.
The impact of AI and automation on the job market is already being felt across various sectors. Manufacturing jobs, once a staple of the economy, are increasingly being taken over by robots. Data entry clerks, customer service representatives, and even truck drivers are facing similar threats as AI systems become more adept at performing their tasks. However, this technological shift is not just about job displacement, it's also about job transformation. Many existing jobs are evolving to incorporate technology in new and innovative ways. Doctors are using AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy. Farmers are utilizing precision agriculture techniques to optimize crop yields. Teachers are leveraging educational technologies to personalize learning experiences. These examples demonstrate how technology can augment human capabilities rather than replacing them entirely. The key is to adapt to these changes and acquire the skills to work alongside machines effectively. The emergence of new technologies always creates new job opportunities. The rise of social media has led to a surge in demand for social media managers, digital marketers, and content creators. The growing field of renewable energy is creating jobs for solar panel installers, wind turbine technicians, and environmental engineers. As AI and other technologies continue to advance, we can expect to see even more new job roles emerge, many of which we can't even imagine today.
While the job market is undergoing a rapid transformation, our education system remains largely stuck in the past. Many schools continue to emphasize rote memorization and standardized testing, failing to adequately prepare students for the demands of the 21st century workplace. The traditional model of education, designed for an industrial era, is ill-equipped to meet the needs of a rapidly changing, technology-driven world. In an age where information is readily available at our fingertips, simply memorizing facts and figures is no longer sufficient. Students need to develop critical thinking skills to evaluate information effectively, solve complex problems, and make informed decisions. They need to be adaptable and resilient, able to learn new skills quickly, and navigate a constantly evolving job market. Our education system must evolve to reflect these new realities, shifting away from outdated methods and embracing innovative approaches that foster these essential skills. The gap between the skills taught in schools and those required in the workplace is widening, creating a mismatch that leaves many graduates ill-prepared for the modern job market. Companies are struggling to find candidates with the right mix of technical skills, critical thinking abilities, and adaptability. This skills gap has serious implications for our economy and society. We need to bridge this gap by reforming our education system to align with the needs of the 21st century. This requires a shift in mindset from teaching to the test to fostering a love of learning, a spirit of inquiry, and a passion for lifelong learning. Furthermore, instilling an entrepreneurial mindset in early childhood can yield significant advantages in the age of AI. As our children grow, they may leverage this rapidly evolving technology to generate wealth and create a better world. Imagine a classroom where students are encouraged to think like entrepreneurs, where they are taught not just to consume information, but to create, innovate, and solve real-world problems. This shift can empower them to see opportunities where others see obstacles, to take calculated risks, and to learn from failure. Entrepreneurial education fosters creativity, critical thinking, and resilient skills that are invaluable in a world where artificial intelligence and automation are reshaping the landscape of work. By nurturing these qualities from an early age, we can prepare our children to not only adapt to future changes, but to drive them. Follow the Startups Joint today to stay informed about global trends and seize upcoming opportunities in time. Let's equip the next generation with the tools they need to thrive in an AI-driven world.